Hello, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to create personalized posts in Google Classroom. First, you need to log into your Google for Education account and go to the class that you would like to create an assignment for. Click on the classwork page, click on the Create button, and create an assignment in the drop-down list. Give your assignment details, and right up here at the top, you can click this down triangle and you can select the specific students that you want to assign this assignment to. Once that is completed, you will notice here it'll say how many students were assigned. If you want to revise that, you can simply uncheck the student or add students to it and revise that checklist. And once that's all done, you click Assign, and now that student will be assigned that specific assignment. I hope you found this screencast helpful.